Well, here we are, first grade on the last day of school, and I never would have imagined that our first grade year, your first grade year, would have ended the way that it did. And I'm so sorry that our time in class together was cut short. I've missed you all so much over these last several weeks, and um, I never would have imagined that it would have ended like this. But I just wanted to let you know that I am so proud of you for all of your perseverance and resilience during the virtual learning. I know that, there's been some challenges in learning the technology and it's not always been easy. And a big thank you to your grown-ups as well for all of their help and hard work. And, so thank them and be kind to them for everything that they've done to help with our virtual lessons over these last several weeks. Um, but I'm so proud of your hard work and how you have overcome this challenge, and that will serve you well for the rest of your life because there will be challenges, and to see how you've been able to overcome that is just amazing, and that will help you for the rest of your life. But it's been a pleasure having you in class and getting to see all of your learning and growth from the beginning of the year. When you started the year, back in August, you were just barely out of kindergarten, and here I'm, seeing you as an almost second grader and all the growth and everything, how much you've changed from the beginning of the year. So I'm really proud, and you should be really proud of all of your hard work and everything that you've done this year and all of your success. And I know that you will do wonderful things next year and beyond in your life. And I just want to let you know that I will always be your teacher. I will always care about you, and I'll always be there for you and be interested in your future and success. And, I'm always there if you need me. And I hope that you know, have fond memories of first grade. I know this certainly wasn't the way we wanted the year to end, and it certainly wasn't what I wanted for you for your first grade year and experience. But I hope that you still have fond memories from first grade and can look at some of the positives of some of this extra time that we've been able to spend at home with our families that we normally wouldn't be like this. So again, I am so proud of you, and I just want to tell you to keep working hard. And I know that you will do wonderful, wonderful things as you move forward in your life, and continue to be the kind kid. And I'd love to hear a little message back from you for you to be able to document your first grade year. I know we certainly will never forget this year. I know I will certainly never forget this year, and I'm sure you won't either. But if you want to take a picture of yourself so you can have a picture of yourself on the last day of first grade and record a little message in the seesaw activity just to again document the end of this school year and what was certainly an unusual and unique circumstance. And then that will be in your seesaw, so you can always look back at that years later, or your grown-ups can look at it later, just as a little memento. So again, I'm always here for you, and I miss you so, so, so much. I'm so sorry that this was the way the year ended, but again, I'm also so proud of how you've overcome some of the challenges that we faced this year. And I really look forward to the time, whenever that may be, that we can see each other again in person. And I hope you have a wonderful summer. You've worked really hard and deserve to have a really, really great summer. So I hope you get to do all sorts of things that make you happy and that you enjoy. And again, keep being kind. And I'm always here. I miss you, and happy and congratulations, last day of first grade. You're amazing, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye.